clip it, slip it, flip it, stick it.
Clip it, slip it, flip it, stick it, clip it, slip it, flip it, stick it.
Welcome to the Hunter Report. Now, what do you do when you want to watch iPhone in bed? Well, I already figured out the perfect solution almost a year ago. See, it was this video right here in this same bed. But there were two big problems with that solution. And let me just state the problem again. You're trying to watch video like this. You want to watch a movie for an hour, right in bed. Your hands start getting tired. What do? You need some kind of device. And I showed you my kind of rudimentary prototypes in the last video. The problem is that piece of equipment failed. What you're looking at right here, you see that? The tripod literally failed. Vertical to landscape mode, there was no good solution for that. I've solved both of those, and let me show you this. So first off, we've solved the issue of these legs breaking. You see, this is a flexible tripod, and eventually it's going to fail. I bent the thing day in and day out, and it failed on me. So the solution to that is a hard tripod, a non-flexible tripod. And now the second problem, what do you do about apps like YouTube that really aren't designed to work in both landscape and vertical mode? I mean, YouTube, come on. There are times when you want to like Instagram and this way and then quickly switch to a YouTube video, quickly switch back to Instagram. This clamp right here, which is manufactured by Wuhat, is all metal. It's such an amazing piece of engineering. So the first thing you do is you just sort of get it in there, and it's really loose. Right back here, there's a twisty knob. What the twisty knob does is tighten the clamp. So now it's not going anywhere. You get another degree of control, which is this way. There's a knob right here, you lock that in, and it's not going anywhere. Now let's talk a little bit about the tripod before I go back to the clamp. This is the Manfrotto tripod, and you can check the description below for the exact model. But the reason that this exact model is exactly what you need is these legs right here, right? These legs are going to adjust to the size of your belly. I actually was trying out a smaller tripod, and I found it lost its balance. So you sort of want something with long legs, and I actually keep the back leg on the shortest length, and I find that works the best for me. And depending on your size, whether you have a big belly or you're tiny or whatever, you're going to find a combination of legs that works for you. So it's super flexible. And then you get the knob right here, so you get all of these axes of motion. So you can fine-tune on so many levels here to get the absolute perfect viewing angle. It's so perfect, the viewing angle. So now let's get back to my favorite feature, vertical to landscape. So the first thing you do when you're all locked in place and you're watching a video right here on YouTube or wherever, you first click the clamp, and that is this control right here. Then you slip the phone. Then you quickly do vertical, and my face is blocked, but that's okay. And then you lock it again in place, and you make sure everything's locked. Here's another bonus tip. You're going to be keeping a power cable on your bed. So what I do right there is boom, unlock it, get it plugged in, boom, boom. It even works with a power cable. This is the true solution, guys. I've figured it out here. So let me show you now with power cable in. Click it, flip it, slip it, stick it. Okay? Let's do that again, and let's do that a little closer to real time. Click it, slip it, flip it, stick it. Fantastic. Click it, slip it, flip it, stick it. I got that wrong, but let's keep going. Click it, slip it, flip it, stick it. All right now. Click it, flip it, slip it, stick it. And look at this. Boom, boom, boom. It is so good. I can go from playing video games to watching YouTube. Okay, enough of me blabbing. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and check the description below for where you can pick up both of these items. I think this is absolutely essential. This setup's also really good for filming things. I mean, that's like what this equipment was designed for. And yeah, there's a cool little slippy thing here so you can get, attachments on there. And there's 4 1/4-inch adapters on there. So this Wuhat is one of the best things ever. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please give me thumbs up. Please subscribe. Check the description below for where to get any of these items. That was a hiccup. And I hope this video brought you a bit of peace and joy during this very difficult coronavirus time. Peace.